My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, the cremation is almost over. We are seeing how the dignitaries are now making way. They are moving away from Nigam Bodh Ghat. Family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh, along with the top brass of the BJP, now slowly moving away, making way. Not just the Congress, but we also saw Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, the top dignitaries of not just the BJP and the Congress, but we also saw Atishi, Delhi Chief Minister, leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, also at the Nigam Bodh Ghat to pay her respect to Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Right, Aishwarya, this is a historic moment and nobody wants to miss out on that opportunity. You had President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, all of them reaching here at the Nigam Bodh Ghat, and even right now the security continues to be tight. On the right-hand side is the President and Prime Minister's carcade, which is on the standby. The funeral is almost over. The cremation process is almost over, and right now the full state honor, every protocol of that is being followed. It's in the last stage that the visuals that we're getting from inside Nigam Bodh Ghat. And once that process would be over, that a salute from the 21 cannons, that's also over. After that, you'll be seeing that the President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister, all of them will start leaving Nigam Bodh Ghat after that process is over. And you rightly pointed out, Dr. Manmohan Singh's career has been so long and diversified that nobody can claim that their lives have not been touched by Dr. Singh's achievements and the work that he did for the country. Right from being economic advisor in the Commerce Ministry to being the chief economic advisor in the Finance Ministry to RBI governor and becoming the finance minister of the country, bringing that economic revolution that India needed in the 90s, and after that foreign direct investment initiatives. So each of them, even before he became the Prime Minister of the country, he was working round the clock to ensure India comes on board on the economic revolution wagon, and along with that, India's middle class gets an opportunity to achieve its ambitions, because from believing in limited resources, fulfilling your requirements in those limited resources, Dr. Manmohan Singh's economy opened all aspects and opportunities for India's ambitious middle class. So that way he has touched lives, changed lives across the country. And today, as we speak, you have leaders from across the party line, ideologies, offering tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Even yesterday we had seen as to how Chandrababu Naidu, Hemant Soren, Arvind Kejriwal, all these leaders were rushing to Teen Motilal Nehru Marg, the residence, the last abode of Dr. Singh. And after that, today, as the funeral is happening, the last rites are happening, everybody, the highest of dignitaries, not only from the country, by the way, but also several of the representatives from missions from the foreign countries were here to ensure that if they are in the national capital, they must participate in the ceremony where India is offering their final tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh, final tribute to his mortal remains. And that is why you had all these dignitaries from the missions of different countries reaching here at Nigam Bodh Ghat. And soon we'll be getting those visuals of the President and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Defence Minister stepping out. And so will the leader of opposition and Congress party leaders step out once the funeral process is over. Aishwarya.